In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time blocking in Notion. If you're someone looking to organize your day more effectively, time blocking is a fantastic productivity tool to adopt. It helps you visualize your schedule, allocate specific times for your tasks, and ensures you're focusing on what truly matters. Let's dive into how you can implement this in Notion, a versatile tool for managing your projects and tasks. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your connected workspace within Notion. Notion is a powerful platform that serves as your all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, databases, and more. If you haven't logged into your account yet, you'll need your credentials ready. Once you're on the home page, click on the Login button. If you don't have an account, this button will lead you to sign up, so make sure you've registered beforehand. After logging in, you'll find yourself at your Notion home. This is essentially your dashboard, where you can access all your pages, projects, and documentation. From here, what you need to do next is click on a page. If you don't have a page set up yet, consider creating one specifically dedicated to time blocking. This will help keep everything organized in one place, and you can always navigate back to it whenever you need a bird's eye view of your schedule. Once on your chosen page, it's time to set up your timeline. Type in /timeline to activate the timeline feature. This command is a quick way to bring up the timeline option, which is perfect for visualizing how your blocks of tasks and projects align over time. After typing this, select Timeline View from the menu that appears. The timeline view is where the magic of time blocking really comes to life. It allows you to slot specific tasks against time frames, ensuring that every hour of your day is accounted for. Perfect for tackling those long to-do lists. Incorporating a timeline in your Notion page offers a strategic perspective on how your day, week, or even month is structured, helping you stay on track with important deadlines and milestones. Remember, the key to efficient time blocking is consistency. Make a habit of updating your timeline regularly and move blocks around if necessary to reflect any changes in your schedule. By doing this, you're embracing a proactive approach to time management, minimizing stress and improving productivity. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to kicking off time blocking within Notion. Now you're all set to tackle your tasks with renewed focus and organization. As always, make sure to save your work frequently and tweak your approach as you find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!